Has the coronavirus got you fist pumping your spouse? Fight back with your daily vitamin C immune booster. All you need is 1 orange, 1 lemon, and the DNA citrus juicer. So, cut your orange in half, open the lid, slot your orange into the juicer and press 1 button. Have a look at how dry that orange is. Next half, there we go. Onto the lemon, plenty of vitamin C in here. Fully automatic. Comes with a 2-year warranty on the motor. So, last thing, open the chute and watch that nutritious vitamin C juice pour into your glass. Let's have a taste of it. Delicious, great for the immune system. So, fight back with your daily vitamin C immune booster and show your spouse some love again. The new DNA citrus juicer, helping you fight back.